Hey guys, it's me Ben again. Welcome to my channel. We will be unboxing BLE TPMS or Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This is from Lazada. Just got it from the mail today. So what this does is it monitors tire pressures gauge via Bluetooth. So there's an app. So it's not the kind that has a separate like gadget that you need to install in your car. It's something that would be paired via Bluetooth to your phone. So once you scan this, I did earlier, and this is how the app looks like. Just have to allow Bluetooth and pair it to this. Now when you open this, we have an extra battery, instructions, and the four thing that you put in your tire. I think these are battery operated and Bluetooth capable. I'll pause this video and try to install it and see. I hope it works. It also have a wrench. They said it's theft free, so let's see how does that goes. Anyway, be sure I'll first gauge my car's tire to make sure to see if they're calibrated. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so again, let's first test let's first gauge my tire's pressure. Now I just want to know and make sure our TPMS is calibrated. So this is my air compressor, been with me for the past 5 years. I make sure I put 32 for each. Let's make sure they're in 32. Okay, so now this tire should be at 32. Okay, now so the manual will have an English and a Chinese. So it says here, well, it looks like, no, actually it's not here, but it's on the app too. So this would be the left rear wheel that we're installing first. Now the numbers 1 2 3 4 corresponds to these. So if we're installing left rear, left down wheel, we have to install number 3, sensor number 3. Not sure how to do it. Here, I think this is the anti-theft thingy. Okay, let's try. So it says here, first step, put in anti-theft screw. So this should go here. Okay, okay. So just have to turn it clockwise. Next, tighten the sensor with tire valve. What's that? Oh, okay. So as you can see, I hope you can see this. So there's like a small hole which will be in like the pin of your tire will go into that small hole. I think that's how it goes. Let me check. That's it. Wait. Tighten the sensor with tire valve. Screw anti-theft screws. Huh? Screw anti-theft screws with sensor. Oh, I think you have to hold hold the sensor, tighten anti. Okay, anyway, we'll try those in a bit. Now, going back on your app. So again, this was initially in Chinese. Just click on option and then it will be in English. So bind device. It says 12. I think we need to change. Go to system settings. I'm using PSI. Let's click vibrating alarm. PSI. These are the defaults. Oh, okay, 31.4 PSI. Close to 32. Okay, I'll check the other. So that's how it goes. So as you can see, it automatically bind the device to the sensor. So now you can monitor the live or the real-time pressures of your tire. I'll give you feedback if this works. I'll install everything after. Thanks for watching. Bye.